How to fix Spotify keeps pausing your music on your mobile phone device. Now the first thing you'll need to do is to open up Spotify, click on the home button on the top left or the bottom left, and then you want to click on your profile icon on the top left. And from here, you want to go to settings and privacy. Now you want to click on the playback option here. Now in here, you want to make sure that gapless playback is turned on or enabled. And then you want to scroll down and make sure autoplay is enabled under listening controls, as well as autoplay similar content option if you have it shown up there. It should be enabled. Now you want to go back by pressing the arrow here, and you want to go back to the settings, and now you want to click on data saving and offline. Now you want to make sure that data saver is set to off instead of on or automatic. Now you want to scroll all the way down till you see the storage option here, and you want to clear your cache by clicking on the clear button and then clear cache. Now once you're done, you want to restart the Spotify app, and once it's restarted, you want to check if that solves the problem. And if it still doesn't fix the issue, all you need to do is close Spotify and try to reinstall it back from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. So first you will need to uninstall the application, and then you want to install it again or install the latest updates if there is any updates available. And then when you open up the application again, this should solve the problem. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.